All right, you ready to go?
Where are we going? Where are we going, Jeff? Don't leave me hanging, Jeff. Where are we going?
To the track. NOLA Motorsports Park. All right, let's go get some food.
Time will save us all. I'm still here waiting. You say nothing else. Just say something wrong. Don't say nothing else. I'm still here waiting. I always thought we'd be together. I always thought that we could change, but you really just stay the same. All of the times that I left, when I could save us all, it was still there waiting.
And a brake cleaner basically will like do the job.
I can't see it well enough now to see how easy or hard it's going to be, but it doesn't look bad from this angle. Here, myself and one of the Drift 101 instructors, Callie, are discussing how to weld the diff of the Miata. I was recently hired as manager/instructor at the New Orleans branch of Drift 101 East, a drift school which is owned and operated by Naoki Kobayashi, who you can see here preparing to weld the diff of our Mustang. You will hear him welding in the background as I work on the Miata.
That's a true professional.
Unlike the G35, which has axle stubs that slide into the differential, the Miata's axles are one piece, like the CV axles on a front-wheel drive car. Because of this, the only way to completely remove the diff is to disassemble most of the rear suspension. So to save some time, we are going to lower the diff, remove the cover, and weld it in the car.
Oh shit. Sorry guys. Trying to push myself under here. Squeeze one out.
Okay, now we can officially part in front of you.
We've broken that barrier.
Right now, the tension is in it. Does that make sense?
Oh, so you just want me to get the jack under it? The hell?
We might have to.
Because I remember we jacked it up and then you had to put it in order because once we got the axles in, the butt hangs down and it's like solid, but then we have to crank that up and then put this piece back.
Get the jack on.
I'm not moving very much.
That's one of the easy things though.
I'm gonna try to get it loose in the front.
I'd probably try it.
I knew you were coming to do that. I knew you were coming to do that.
So you just had to.
Alright. Leave it this way so I know which is front and which is back.
No, I do that shit all the time when I like quiet things down.
Once again, I need a power tool.
Need a power ratchet, huh?
Milwaukee. Snap-on made this wrench just for chasing them together.
Oh, it just. I was gonna say it just rounds around the exhaust, huh?
Instead of going like going to the bridge or anything else.
The sway bar's missing too.
I'm Carl, by the way. How's it going, Carl? Hello.
So this is an open diff car?
It's really helpful. That's what he told me.
I thought all these had limited slips in them for some reason.
Is that?
I thought they all had limited slips in the newer Miatas for some reason.
All automatics apparently have open diffs and 5-speed send diffs. Or no, open diffs. Yeah, I don't know why this wouldn't have one.
I don't think this is really too bad to work on. On the ground here, obviously, is a little more difficult, but once we get used to working on them, this and learn the workflow and how everything comes apart, these aren't going to be too bad to service. It's like this will work the way. What are your weld differences of your half a dozen.
We're going to live stream from camera points to a hub. It's going to be all. The hub will be
You're not
plugged
going
into
to the cell network.
Yeah, no.
Alright, well, good luck. You might get us on the ground. Yeah.
We are standing on the ground, so hopefully.
Yeah, I mean, you would think they'd come, right?
It is fun.
Alright, well, I have.
Before I actually torque those, I'm going to give that RTV about 10 or 15 minutes to start sitting.
Yeah.
Working on it, and I'll be done with this.
Instead of all this. Richard.
It's aggravating. Okay. So, where did we take off? What order did it come apart? What's next? What goes back on now?
What's next, kids?
I think we're going to be doing the big brace now.
Right. Because once that came down,
Yeah, because really that's it.
you did the exhaust, but that was because but
Can
you
do
know,
it after.
yeah.
I'll do it after.
That's the front that I gave to you.
Slide it under here. I'll get you in the right place. Back. Pull it back. Alright. Jack up on it. There we go. Alright, go on up. At some point, this should just fall into place. If I can get, hold on a second.
Yep.
My hand is, I need this other hand. There's not enough room under here. Oh shit.
You need to come from the side.
I'm good now.
A little bit higher. Oh, there we go.
It runs, but it doesn't drive well.
Oh, it's just the clutch.
Yeah, just the clutch is the problem. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
You just made my car the funnest car it's been since I've owned it.
This is my first time working on a Miata, and while it was a bit different from the Nissans and Toyotas that I'm used to working on, it was still very easy to work on and well put together. First time working on a Miata.
And what was the first thing you just did?
Welded a diff in the car.
That's got to be a first.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. It worked though.
Alright.
Let's go get some food.
Just because I'm from here doesn't mean I like all the food from here.